Alright, Bafethu, let's have a look at how Orlando Pirates coach Abdeslam Wadu managed to get the better of Stellenbosch in the MTN 8 final, focusing mainly kuma-subs akhe awenzile. So qala si-illustrate kwi-tactics board bese sikhombisa ama-highlights ukuze uyibone kahle yonke lento, yabo? I-setup ye-Pirates beyikade nje before ama-changes. We had Sebelebele on the right, Mbule in the number 10 position, Mfukeng playing ngaphakathi ekhatha inside, ne? Then bese bakhona uMakgopa up front. Labadlala engibabhale ngo-blue, abadlala abasubstitutiwe ucoach lapha, yabo? Abadlala abaphumile noma abashintshile ama-position abo emva kokuthi ke ucoach enze ama-subs. Usibilibili ushintshe i-position, lo waphuma, uMakgopa waphuma, uMbule waphuma, right? So ulokuzwa usibilibili was keeping you with, ne? Esebambisene noLibitso emumva. Then uMfukeng bekufana khathe ngaphakathi bese uHotho enza njani eyarana outside. So abo lokhuza abafana la beStellenbosch bebevale lesi space lesi abafana beStellenbosch laba abo obani konje uMthiyane yonke leyo genge leyo beyidlala kulesi space lesi ukuthi iPirates ayikhona ungena. So if uMfukeng engena ubengena kwi-traffic, then uSibelebele ubebanje ubani umdaka la ayombambile umdaka, then wazwahlehlisa uSibilibili washayiswa i-right back. Mayehlehla uSibilibili eshaya i-right back kwangena uMabasa phambili, then uApollis wadlala ka-right, uMbule waphuma, uMfukeng wangena phakathi kwi-10, uMremi wadlala ngaphakathi, wadlala kanje uMremi, yabo? So iPirates beyithi idlala into efana nalena ke izolo ke ngamini ngalela langa lelana ngosuku lwefinal. Ngapha iPirates bese kanje uSibilibili sedlala i-right back. This is very interesting to note ke manje ukuthi uApollis is right footed, he was playing on the right, fane akhiphe i-width. Umremi is left footed and he was playing on the left all the time. Wakithi kujwayele ukuthi beka kanje isikhathi kuba ama inverted wingers ukuze lozokhatha ngaphakathi, lo azokhatha ngaphakathi. Cha, ucoach uthe ba right beka kanje, he must keep with eba stretch nalo eba stretch. Into ebalekile lo unejubane lo Godfrey kimi lo unejubane lo ukwazi ukushaya ipass lo ende. So enye into ayishilo ucoach uthe uMremi akarunning in behind. Sengifuna uyiboneke lento ukuthi u-right edlala ka-right, u-left edlala kwa-left, bese uMfukeng edlala right behind uMabasa. Uzoyibona yenzeke kusize ngani ukuthi iPirates idlale kanjalo. Ngifuna uhambe ke manje ke uyibuke ke kuma-highlights. Okay, qala quickly asimuze umfana echaza uMremi ukuthi ucoach uthe akarane in behind.
Before coach usually there is space behind the defense line and I must utilize those spaces. So that's why you can go because but see this space yeah.
Okay ke then asibuke ukuthi yini quality kaApollis. uApollis njalo mayedlala le nkomo uApollis fanele idlale nenkomo enejubane ezokhona ukushaya ama run, a Saleng type of player, a Moremi type of player, a Thapelo Mrena type of player, bafana esibilibili type of player. Umdlalo onejubane ozorana, hayi lo vele bazolidlala ibhola babedlala benabo Mfukeng yabo bedlala nabo Sipho Mbule, but yena ufuna umuntu ozorana bese emshayela ipass because uApollis enye ama qualities akhe abantu abangawanaki, uyakwazi ukushaya ipass esuke ingabonwa umuntu, yabo? Whether ipass ecashile or ipass from a long way out, even from ekwi half yakhe, it's something that he does have in his locker ukuthi akushayela ipass. So mayezodlala nabadlala bakwakhona ukugijima abanjengo Saleng, oSibilibili, aboMremi, aboThapelo Mrena, uyakwazi ukuthi thrive in that situation. Right, Bugala, as he's receiving the ball and twisting and turning, Umrena is making a run on the far post, nang on the near side with camera. Uyambona mi Hlabudla mfi ungabone ebheke phansi kwathi akakuboni, yabo nje la ngobe edla amadoda, uyambona mi ekude kakhulu, yabo? So very clever, very astute when it comes to playing those defense splitting passes and intricate passes and passes to the far post, yabo? Mhlabela nje pass emnandi ukuthi akahlabedle uMrena ukwi far post, ungathi akamboni, yabo? Receiving the ball in his own half, nang uMrena shaya run, uyambona mi hamba odla uMrena around goalkeeper udli net. Equality kaApollis ke to pick a pass from a long way out and pick out a teammate. Friendly ePirates eSpain, yabo? Ubona uRele Mfukeng lapha kude uyamhlabela ipass, mi hlaba udle. Ngifuna ukukhombisa equality kaApollis nje ngisakukhombisa yona. So uyakwazi ukubona that pass esuke ikude ulokhuzana uApollis. Alright, siqhubeke negame, sibuka ama run in behind ke manje kaMremi. Nangu running in behind, wacishwa score header le yacisha yaqeda igame ngomhla ka 87, le pass ayitholile. Nangu bukuthi uApollis mayithola ibhola kude wenzani, nangu uApollis mayithola ibhola, nangu lapha kade nendawo running behind uMremi ungaka left uyakora manje, yabo? nangethola elinye ibhola ungaka left yabo bathi hamba ke nawe buyisela icompliment ke Apolis cha akeze kuyibuyisela, it's just gonna go all the way, go for glory himself. Kwasho ukuthi ke ugoalkeeper is equal to the task, but ungaka left ngifuna unote lokho. Buka la mawukuthi ulokhu uzumfuke uphethe ibhola urun behind, nangelindi lokurun behind, ungaka left uzocrossela umabasa kwaba igoli kalula kanjalo. Ngala uyabo mangabe ethola ibhola uApolis uyamazi ukuthi nanga phakathi usuka emva kwecenter nanga eranela ukuthi behind the defense ayithola ipass. Quality ke kaApolis ukuthi amthole liqhuma igoli. Kunye ukubalekile before ngivale nakho, lenkomo oApolis iyathanda ukuthi lenkomo engumremi ihlala idlile, iyayiphantela zinkomo eziphandela nayo lezi, yabona iyakwazi ukuyibona, iyakhona ukuthi hawu Nkosi yami ihlabudle nawe inkomo yambuka nje. Kodwa lokuqala ngqa leli likaMremi edlalela Orlando Pirates, buka yalithola inkomo uApolis ayizukuyikorela bakithi izobheka inkomo yayo, iphi inkomo yami vele ihlabele espacini mfi laqhuma igoli. Awu yayiphantela bakithi ngoba idribula nje, idribule elithi ikorele no idribulele inkomo yayo yayinika inkomo ezibona nayo lezi, enye ifuna ukuthi enye ilalidlile. Uyabo nje buka ombule benzani ba dryer nala awusukaneni madoda ama dry to njengeselekisi. Buka la hlala kaApolis ngoba ephanta nje uphantela inkomo yakhe, phantela inkomo yakho Apolis akwayiphantela bakithi, akwayiphantela kwayibona mi hlabudle yageja akuyayibhekelela. Amase ngimdala ngifisa ngathi ngaba nomngani nami oyilento uApolis ayiyona kuMremi.